I'm inviting you to one of the world's most exclusive wellbeing resorts for a 4-day, 3-night retreat where relaxation, restoration and rejuvenation meet the best knowledge, tools and results to lead a balanced, fulfilled and prosperous life. Research tells us almost 50% of the New Year's resolutions we make fail within 6 months. And the reason is something other than you think. It's not a lack of consistency or a lack of time that makes us fail. It's choosing the wrong goals. And to choose the right goals, we need to set up 2 things. First, we need total clarity on what we want to accomplish. And second, we need a fully charged battery to allow the brain to relax, work properly, and access our super powerful intuition and unconscious mind. That's why I'm inviting you to join me at one of the most exclusive retreats in the world to help you kickstart your new year like never before. This 4-day workshop, running from January the 17th to the 20th, 2019, will teach ways to cultivate daily habits that last. Through group workshops and one-to-one coaching sessions with me, you'll develop goals for 2019 and learn ways to ensure that failing to meet them is simply not an option. Each morning and evening, I'll be sharing my advanced yoga and meditation techniques, and you'll have plenty of time to enjoy the nourishing nutrition, marvelous massages, signature treatments, and nights well slept in one of the most beautiful locations in Bali. If you're looking to relax, rejuvenate, and learn how to cultivate daily habits that last, make sure you secure your place in this exclusive group right now.